Let's talk about the benefits of getting an AWS certification. LinkedIn has listed cloud computing as one of, if not the most in-demand hard skill for 6 years running. The best way to show you have those skills is a certification. Certifications validate knowledge. They show that you've made progress on the path from novice to expert. But the real value, certifications translate to better jobs and higher pay. How much pay? According to LinkedIn, last year, cloud engineers earned an average base salary of $117,000. And there's currently a shortage of certified AWS professionals, which means that they are in high demand by employers looking to fill critical job roles. And if you're applying for one of those jobs, you should know that 88% of hiring managers say that certifications are very important when evaluating resumes. In fact, certifications may be an initial filtering criteria, meaning without that box checked on your resume, it may not even make it to a hiring manager's desk. And the best news, getting certified is fast. In one day, you can learn everything you need to know for the Cloud Practitioner Certification exam. Our classes are taught by a certified AWS expert in an online classroom that you can take from anywhere. You'll even get access to practice exams and questions. So what are you waiting for? You're only one day away from your cloud certification.